Well, it was sunny for most of us today, but some clouds are moving in tonight. Kate joins us from home as we continue to practice social distancing here at CBS 3. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica. Yeah, it turned out to be a pretty nice day. A little on the cool side, especially when the sun went behind those clouds and the breeze picked up, but not bad to try and get outside at least for a little bit. A little bit of a sanity saver today. You can see the clouds are kind of in and out. Our last look at Center City, we had more blue sky, now mostly cloudy again. It's 53 degrees. There is still a cool breeze from the north-northwest. That's at about 10 miles per hour. Not bad right now, and overnight skies will clear. These clouds we're seeing out there right now are going to dissipate, and that's going to allow temperatures to drop quite a bit. It's going to be a chilly night, and we'll be in the 30s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Today's the first day of April, so just a recap of the month of March. It was a very mild March. Our average temperature for the month came out to 48.9 degrees, making it the 7th warmest March on record. We also had no snow at all, only 3 snowless Marches on record. We are in company with the year 2000 and 1945. And the 70s came early. 79 degrees was the warmest March temperature since 4 years ago in 2016. Storm Scan 3 showing a couple of sprinkles that drifted through central Pennsylvania today. Those are staying off to our south and west. Not much happening locally. We had a couple of sprinkles try to pop up across Salem County and down into Kent County, Delaware. Those are few and far between. Tonight's low is 36 degrees, chilly and a bit breezy with a few patchy clouds. Tomorrow is a sunny day, but it's a windy day, 57 degrees. The winds will pick up through the afternoon. So if you want to head outside, the sun will be shining, but definitely wear the heavier coat than it looks like you'll need because it will start to turn blustery. Tomorrow is dry. Clouds will filter in a bit in the afternoon, and then the showers you see right there early Friday are along a backdoor cold front. That's a cold front that slides in from the North Atlantic. Could bring a few showers and increased cloud cover, also cooler temperatures on Friday. Saturday starts with clouds and then the sun returns. So your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast, sunny but windy tomorrow, more clouds and a shower chance Friday. Then Saturday will gradually clear it out and a nice warm up next week. We're headed to the 70s by next Tuesday. Some nice weather to try and get outside without the coat, perhaps, Jessica. I'll send it back inside to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.